Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda. In today's video, I will give you my honest and unsponsored review of the Rhode Skin Peptide Lip Tints. So I choose to pick up their 4 core shades, which is Ribbon, Toast, Raspberry Jelly, and Espresso. They also do limited edition, but I always feel like it's safest to go for kind of like their staple shades. I will be trying them on with and without a lip liner, so you can really see the difference. Let's get to it. So I'm gonna try the lightest color first. This is Ribbon. It's like a beautiful baby pink. I personally always wear a lip liner, so it's gonna be strange to see it without one, but it's nice to see how the color performs by itself. So let's see. So creamy on the lips, not sticky at all, which I love. I do like this color, like super natural, soft baby pink, but I can't wait to see it with a lip liner on. So I'm just gonna use the same lip liner on all of them to get a little bit more definition. And then let's try Ribbon over. Oh, I think I'm gonna love this. Wow. That's stunning. That is so beautiful. And just like the perfect baby pink. Love, love, love this shade. So the next shade is Toast, and this was the one I was most excited about. It just looks like the perfect, like warm, toasty nude color. Yeah, I think I like this one. Definitely living up to my expectations. I even think this one is good without the lip liner. Okay, let's try with a lip liner on. So the lip liner is on, so let's put it to the test. I'm so excited about this because I already like it without one. Oh, it goes on so smooth, so buttery. Wow, absolutely yes, yes, yes. This color is so stunning. Next up is Espresso, like a beautiful brown color. I'm excited to see how it looks on. Okay, it doesn't blend as well as the others. I mean, I don't think this is it. It's not my color for sure. Maybe with a lip liner, but just on its own, I don't think it do much. I feel like I almost look a little bit dead. Let's try with a lip liner. Okay, so the lip liner is on. Let's put Espresso to the test again. I'll try maybe not to take as much as I did earlier. It's kind of giving like autumn vibes. It definitely does look better with a lip liner. So last but not least, we have Raspberry Jelly. It looks really pretty on itself. Now again, nothing on my lips. Okay, I think I took maybe a little bit too much. This one also not so easy to blend. I kind of like it. I'm just not used to seeing myself in this shade. I'm gonna try it with the lip liner to see if there is any difference as well. So now that the lip liner is on, I'm gonna try to put on a little bit more of a sheer layer because it says it's buildable. And I think I put a little bit too much earlier. I think I probably would like it more sheer. Let's try to just blend it with my finger. I definitely like this better, blending it with my finger, like getting a sheer layer, and also with the lip liner. I think this is actually quite beautiful. I did not expect to like it. I don't know if I like this color on me. It's just so not used to seeing it, but I kind of like it. To sum up this little review, it's probably not a surprise that I am in love with Ribbon and Toast. These two are gonna be my staples, my everyday kind of lip. I love them. Beautiful colors, and they blended so well. My top two. I don't know how to pick between them because they're very different, but yeah, both of them so beautiful. On third place, I will say that we have Rasberry Jelly. I do like this color on its own, but it's not really my go-to shade. I think it will be beautiful for fall. It was a little bit harder to blend, but in general, a beautiful color. And last, we have Espresso. This was probably my least favorite, just because it did not blend as well. I felt like it was kind of sticking to the lines of the lips and kind of just gave my lips like a grayish, dull color. But on somebody else, it would probably look beautiful. So depending on what kind of shades you prefer. But for me, this is probably a no. But overall, I do love them, especially the texture is so creamy, so buttery, not sticky at all, which I prefer. I heard that some people experience that they get a little bit grainy over time. I don't really know because these are new, but I will keep you updated. But it could be just because they contain shea butter. So if you have the problem, try to put them in warm water and that should go away by itself. But other than that, yeah, they're so cute. I love the packaging. I will definitely purchase these two again and maybe try some other shades as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this review was helpful. Let me know which shade you liked the most in the comments, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to see my next video.